To be midnight here in Middle Andaman. Right now I am on this Erata Jetty, and you won't believe this is really scary, and at the same time the climate has changed a lot, and this looks like winter. The way the climate has changed here. It is a kind of winter feeling, and this cold breeze is going on. And you won't believe this is just the onset of the monsoon in Andaman and also the rest of the country. Here I am for a special task, but I got an opportunity to shoot some video and narrative about this place. This is Erata, and the climate change and other climate also already have narrated. And believe me, I'll tell my dear friend Indrajit to show you, this dark part of the dark part of this creek. Why this dark part of the creek is that, two of our gentlemen, they are sitting, they are on this special task. Crocodile have flourished a lot. There is a super breeding of the crocodile, and today in the evening we came here and I have seen some 2 3 4 crocodiles. Crocs are in a plenty here, and I'll show you this this place. This is really scary. The way the crocs are here. It could be, it will be really dangerous. If anyone fall down, or if any wild, not wild, this pet animal, if they, fall down here, they will be in real danger. Okay. So this really, this is really dangerous. In terms of the huge breeding of the crocodile. I don't understand what this role the crocodile play in ecosystem of the creek ecosystem, and rather the entire this aquatic ecosystem. And that is a matter of debate. And however, this is really scary. The crocodile should be, rather controlled, or some kind of decision has to be taken. However, this climate change, it's really a matter of worry for me. You would notice one thing. There is an old saying. What I want to say, that in the month of this monsoon, you are experiencing winter, and probably in the winter you would experience monsoon. So which is really kind of danger for everyone, and the climate expert and the authority should think about it, how to mitigate about this kind of climate change. So thank you, and I'll my message would reach to all those people who would tackle this kind of climate change. Thank you so much.